What is the truth behind beautiful nature images? We, photographers, exclude a lot of ugly things from our pictures. Even the soundscape in nature usually sounds like this. It's easy for misunderstandings to arise. Viewers may not know that the animal in the pictures may be endangered. White-backed woodpecker is an endangered species of deciduous forest. 3 decades ago, it was disappearing from Finnish wildlife. The reason for this was the drastic reduction of suitable habitats as a result of intensive forestry. Thanks to active conservation and migrations from the east that have strengthened the population, the threat of extinction has been averted. However, forest species are not doing well in our country. I have had winter bird counting route near my home for several years now. Originally, the route circled the best forest in the area, but this year another forest was lost. There is only one forest left. In Finland, willow-tit is classified as critically endangered. According to counts, their numbers have been reduced by about half in this millennium. It's hard to believe that it was once one of the most common species in our country. We should soon reduce deforestation in order to preserve our forest birds.